Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanghmeshwar Kalyani, and in this video we will discuss about password generator project. Okay, uh, in this tutorial we will discuss how to create strong, random, and secure password. Uh, do you struggle to create a strong and unique password for your accounts? So, introducing our password generator, a simple and yet powerful Python tool that empowers you to generate secure password to your needs. Okay. With our password generator, you can choose your desired password length, include or exclude uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters based on your security preferences. Get a completely random password that virtually impossible to guess. Okay. So how this application works? So how it works? You have to enter your preferred password length. Then you can decide whether you want to uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters, and uh, co- then our generator will create password, and you can copy and use your password to secure your accounts. Okay, whenever it is needed. Uh, so so let's discuss this code. First, you have to import random. Uh, the import random. This line imports the random module, which allows you to generate random values such as random numbers. Okay. Then we have to import a string module, which provides a collection of string, constant, and functions, including the sets of ASCII characters like lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits, and punctuation. Okay. Then we define here the generate password function. Uh, this line. Then in this function, there are four parameters, that is length, use uppercase, use numbers, and use special chars. Okay. First is length. This will the, this will do the desired password length. This is the desired password length. Okay. Then use uppercase includes or indicate whether to include uppercase letters or not. Okay. Then use numbers will indicate whether to include numbers or not, and then use special character. This will indicate that you have to use special characters or not in your password. Then we define the character set based on your user criteria. uh, Lowercase characters equal to string dot ASCII underscore lowercase. Uh, this line creates a variable, that is lowercase chars, and assigns it the string containing all lowercase letters from the string module. Okay. Then this line uh, we have create a uppercase chars variable and assign it to the string containing all uppercase letters from the string module if use uppercase is true. Okay, uppercase is true, otherwise it assigns an empty string. Okay. Then in this line we have defined a digit chars variable and assign it to the string containing all digits from the string module if use numbers is true, otherwise it assigns an empty string. Okay. Then here we define special chars variable and assign it to the string containing all punctuation characters from the string module if use special chars is true, otherwise it assigned to the empty string. Okay. Then how to combine character sets. Then we have defined here all chars variable equals lowercase chars plus uppercase chars plus digit chars and special chars. We have added all of them. Okay. Then uh, then uh, in uh, this line checks if the all characters all chars string is empty. Okay, means no character state were selected by the user, no character set selected. Okay. Then using this line we will able to generate password. Okay, we have defined here uh, password. Okay, variable, and then equals colon dot join of random dot choice all chars for underscore in range of length. What this will do, this line generates the password by randomly selecting characters from the all chars string for the specified length and joining them together using an empty string. Okay, then we have to say we have simply written the password. Then how get user input. uh, then we have defined length variable. This will simply gets the input from the user that enter the desired password length, how much characters you want in this in your password. Okay, then we have defined a use uppercase. This will simply gets the input from the user that include uppercase letters, yes or no, and we have used a dot lower equal to yes. If user type yes, then uppercase letter will be included in your password. Okay, and same here use numbers. User want to add numbers in his password, then he has to choose yes or no. Okay, and then yeah, we have defined here use special chars variable for the include special characters in the password. Okay. uh, then using this we have generate and display the password. Okay. uh, we have defined here a password variable, and then this line simply calls the generate password function with the user's input and stores the generated password in the password variable. Okay, and then we simply print the generated password to the console along with the label. Okay. uh, then simply we run this. Let's see what we can get. Yes, so he is asking enter the desired password length. Okay, let's suppose we have typed 12. Then he has to ask include uppercase letters, yes or no. Yes, so if you want to add the uppercase letter in your password, then simply type yes, or if you don't want to add uppercase letters in your password, then type no, but we want to add the uppercase letters. Okay, so we have type yes and then enter. Then if you have to include numbers, yes, we have to include numbers in our password. And then if we have to include special characters in your password, we simply type it no, and then we have our own password. Then this app will generate the password for us. 9HFSDWCAKZFT. This will meet our all criteria which we have given here. Okay, let's check. uh, Desired password length is 12. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, first criteria is successfully met. Then uppercase letter yes. In this uppercase letters are present. Numbers 9. Numbers also present. Special characters no. In this password we don't have any special characters. Okay. So this will meet our all criteria we have specified above. Okay. Uh, so yes, using this application you can generate your own password, and uh, you can secure your online accounts like Facebook, Instagram, uh, Twitter. Okay. Then say no more to weak or easily guessable password. With our password generator you can enhance your online security, or you can increase your online security. Okay. So that's all from the video. Thank you so much.